Okuma Radio 97.1.
Really good goal. It's Shabalala. Goal! Bafana!
Okuma Radio.
Goal for South Africa.
Okuma Radio.
For all Africa. Jambu Lila, rejoice. Bafana have put the first cork on their tailgates. Sim Shabalala.
Well, we felt around because of the way they play, the Mexicans can leave themselves vulnerable at the back. But I'll tell you what, Brazil did this. We'd be raving about it for ages. This is a stunning.
Okuma Radio. Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
He got the position, Shabalala. He had to compose himself. It sat up beautifully for him just before he met him with his instep. And Perez is getting nowhere near that. That is a thunderbolt. And now we've got a bit of a shot coming. Wow.
Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
With a heritage and spirit that never dies, the African dream will always survive.
Ici c'est la terre sainte, la patrie des dieux, bienvenue sur la terre-mère. Le nord, le sud, embrasse l'est et l'ouest, on vit le rêve de Narbert.
En la tierra de nuestros abuelos.
Você sabe que as crianças são futuro, trazendo esperança para a próxima geração.
On donne tout pour l'Afrique de Djibouti au Sénégal. Comme mendiant, tout ce que je veux c'est soulever le Graal. L'Afrique est belle, l'Afrique est jeune, l'Afrique est forte. Enfant de la terre, mère, lève le poing et envoie-lui du love. Enfant de la terre, mère, lève le poing et envoie-lui du love.
Yakayo Yasamobia Kwaba live Okuma Radio 97.1 Yenya Trase Share Yasiafko Yajiata Yeniasepa. We have taken it correct our eyes Yajiata Yeniase Ete Kachuria so Kachenia last game Ewa ya round 2 Achiwi ane Kitoria Kini Ochiwe hope so many win. Now Pia straight to Kokai. Ya Johnny on YouTube. Ya Johnny on YouTube. My tactical, analytical, my deprima, Mamara, Cropia Santenia Trasi. Haha. Ya socha baba. Ete wo join wo YouTube na bipia so etua konkan. Okuma Radio 97.1. Ochiwi ani ekitowia kiri tam ni kone ni baba. Krobia Sante, my tactical analytical man. Inya trans. Krobia, sama kwaba.
Yeah, writer.
Azuba.
Yeah.
Ya Dave Kama.
Kama. Yeah, ya kubreak kakra.
Ya kwaba.
From 1 p.m. I bet na say you send to him to say 9 bebo na je say juma na e na usi obeye nti ye enu nti na Jordan mo ba wo mboni ye na ye kan usi obebo nti say wo bobo ni ye usi obeye fitting work ye fitting work ye
No.
Perfect.
Also be ready.
You're radio ni.
That's all.
Inti AFCON.
Yes.
Other media houses be brave Ghana. Ube say obi o ha 3 matches a day now I back up. 4 matches a day now I 2 but 52 ni nyinara.
We are doing all the commentary.
We are doing all, even those televisions that when we matches and they are better was a coverage all the 52 matches.
Yes.
But ubeko se uka kwhwe kwesi ni ama game wangama.
Yes.
Find out kwa. But Okuman. Yeah, my radio coverage said the TV who pepe because
you
that ya twem ni aka on that twem. It is like you are watching on the television.
You
right?
And the Grovia camera phone. Grovia shall tell me call.
All right.
Equatorial and Algeria. Chances no team no players been out sha. Omit me aya on Madin Denumbre yanko.
Yeah, right. Yeah, ma ya chef for any new year for you so akwa badio. And Fambra, the 3rd game I know Okoma coverage, but 4th game on the day I need to me akoso honor 3 matches you didn't need to me akugu, and the last game I hear for the day need to me sorry so no a game between Algeria coming up against Equatorial Guinea. Yes. Algeria and able home. As said, their permutation any BBI, you know, Algeria able home to home jersey.
Okay.
Now we to me the AC account. Then Equatorial Guinea going for the away shirt. Said yeah, she shop on it to one more away. Now coach I friend of Belmadi.
Okay.
Ono and a defending champion coach.
Okay.
2019 or Egypt. The last time I ever have on Algeria. And your Algerian team ya not to me the J. And one more couple of players here. One munina so and now I send the game no in a 4-3-3 formation.
Okay.
Say in a back on no. Echiwano 4 back now obo echiwano a change back on away to me ayo. A brand here friend of Benlami etumia babe Bendrade.
Okay.
And now all partner Mandy 4 and 5 on so nature one when we say now loop will be at the hall in their game against Sierra Leone when we say loop will be at the hall until we to me that particular change you know. Then again in the midfield a brand here back one 2019 only best player player of the tournament our year so influential in the setup of Algeria eto aso ama wo mutumi kwaje trophy no Ismail Bana say in their first game against Sierra Leone we to me about this game nibi and this particular game no we to me about make it way it to me about start in the that number 6 row obe masha anko the midfield no ono so to me about take that position no then Ubenya Abranti friend Ada Bonija, Bernard Bonija. Bonija into me and started that particular game I won in Sierra Leone. Now Islam Slimani. This time with me and starting no Ababeshemu. Then of course Riyad Mahrez, Enebelaini, Sofiani Feguli. These are players I want to make it starting lineup on Ediama. Belmadi as the manager. And going forward, you know. These are players are in the first 45 minutes, you know, Bibian Sesan, Wamueba. In the half of a team I friend of Equatorial Guinea. One set up no. Exactly 4-2-3-1 formation. One more they call in their first game no and Ubehu game one more in the Africa said the boy na one more elusive by a go to now. One more so in your bad side and who wants to me in the Africa said born now lose by a go to now. I think say go in the so early but they manage numerous number and I say quite most of the we no minutes are a no one to me manages all my variants with the attack and the players are one no one more my one punish one be and that partnership of Coco and you behind was solid. Then they are left back in down and so make sure they be able to me also come out Boala and then Salvador and AK player no Salvador in the first game no young and more than one so any or Casa P ni more than one so but this time I'm hoping so be to me any day because for a midfield I am out 6 jersey the meaning say more than one then so any so Algeria defending champion Mulusu first game and I said draw first game. It was a frustrating night for them losing and I said drawing against such a minus club and I say team like Sierra Leone. So they are going all out this time and with Ismail Benacer started this particular game having a brand friend Bonuja up front nothing but the best for Algeria and this time first minute, I'm expecting them to get a first goal. Then
first win for.
Yes, but a better toe-to-toe game. They are not going to get it easy at all. Equatorial Guinea for the boy, and it's not going to be easy, but they will find their way through by getting a goal in the first half.
All right, Clubia Sante, and on the Kemina Sante, Algeria, Equatorial Guinea. AK, enya thrase bra YouTube na we hwe AK woma bioye soja tali bi o se be hwe AK soja tali no se no live Okuma Radio 97.1 oh YouTube me so say soja tali eti anokomo no o se soja tali o se me kaje AK Ebabe taking over first department of the one message commentary at the Eva.
Yansamo Vivia Kova Embra Kuma 97.1 and then you may Fronia no so friendly and on country in Yasa Total African Cup of Nations no and as well Koso our Kuman 97.1 and you may say the writer commentator Oteneka and AK Nana Kwame Amponsedi live commentary me so me de pa me summarizer and then you me Krobia Sante and the game between Algeria and Afensuno Mayani Din and Equatorial Guinea Shege ona sesima mienu ntamani obian sebi Yancham Brante na musti akan Adama feninu mi eruko piemu ewo Equatorial Guinea akatia emrante omusu ejira musi akani goalkeeper ofono era pomu sansona akapo Obian Koko ana indong open finwa your Marson Garnet Abrante Baila Bikoro ana Miami player Salvador up front Siafa ane insue onibo nim Siafa ba na kopiemu Algeria pimo bi kwase goalkeeper Rice Mole as usual à la poste mo defenders no Abrante ni ade atal Ben Sebaini Belari ana Abrante Aissa Mandi midfielders no Sofiane Feghouli Bendebka Belaili Mahrez ana Abrante ni de panase up front no Punuja. So far 3 minutes Abrante ni de Baghdad Punuja wakocha man the yellow card Ordina Abacha ko wo bi minim. The referee Mario Escobar. Referee Mario Escobar. Anonso to me. At the yellow card no at the chere. Abrante ni at Baghdad Punuja. Yantua game ni support abedi Mahrez for Algeria. Wachipona pia de akwachire ada ma Abrante ni anso ada Mandi ne kura ball chisho bi de mano pia de ma Abrante ata long ball ada command goalkeeper Rice Mboli so pia de ma Ben Sebaini na de Algeria ya bone ten ayewu Algeria na srapi poni seye Feghouli ya yidi afrechire wo kwasi pare memfre kwasi mo mfra memfre kwasi mo mfra memfone na mi ye adwuma no intino throw in ya tuatia Algeria throw in ya tuatia Algeria anso fawa ne yebo atia Amayani din are Equatorial Guinea. Mario Escobar. Onene referee na penifo pauno. So nyina munsia enche game no so. Mario Escobar. Ojina ne na so papa. Pona bedi. Aisa Mandi for Algeria. Opia ba ne wa pia ma Atal neba. Long ball searching forward. Instaka. Apprentice Alponija wa flicking ball now swap him throwing. Pressure coming on. Equatorial Guinea for no. So far, the team about 6 minutes. Obian Sebi, Algeria 0, Equatorial Guinea 0. So far, 6 minutes. Obian Sebi, Krabia Sante.
Yeah, I think that Yebenya a very good game this time, but Algerians definitely are going to control the game. Womuna ever having more of the ball, having a branch friend who is Mel Banasa back, controlling that number 6 position, the direction of play. I think that with attack of Riyad Mahrez, Bonuja taking a spot anymore. I think that this time round we are going to see more of an attacking play from the Algerian side, any more threats than they are against Sierra Leone. And the Equatorial Guineans and so Ebebemu all out. They also lost to Ivory Coast in their first game, and this is not a game woman so ebe give out hope crowd, because looking at their Sierra Leone and Crampone Ivory Coast it also motivates them a lot to say if they play with that determination, with that dedication and commitment, with their spirit and hope high, they can also make something out of this, and it's going to be an end-to-end game. But physically, it will be physically tough for both sides. But Nigeria in all, and I say Algeria in all, are going to dominate play.
Second yellow card according to Algeria. Abrantia Pennsylvania. Anusu de Nabache Akowa Salvador Nano. It's a name Munchoni live for YouTube. YouTube Ziggy Munchana Muya correction or YouTube Obian Shebi. Moyana Muya correction. Ziggy Munchana YouTube or Muya correction. Obian Shebi Timuya. Rafi Mario Escobar from Guatemala. Anuna no jam. It's another foreign referee in the bar. Yes. Salvador. Nasrabi. Bonapim. Atiafoso. Algeria. Brika papa. Whenever Algeria. We are trying to not to war. You're trying to not to the referee. Mario Escobar. Why in the yellow card? Ismail Banasseh.
Yeah, I think that one particular player and when here and Algeria MSA in their first game because the drive and it's the way I will take a player on. That's why I say New will play a very very efficient surging forward, and I think they are not to be to me about referee a friend of Guante Ofi Escobar from Guatemala. I think that game African way game looks more like South American game, and this is a game cars in the yard also less than 10 minutes 9 minutes into play and 3 yellow cards. Every incident be our card decided. I don't think a bit to me about the beauty of the game, and it's going to result in possibly one China record be to me, but then it takes off the sign of the game.
So far Japan 9 minutes yellow cards me stand up Algeria Jimianu Equatorial Guinea Ajipako a free kick Jabwati Equatorial Guinea baby upon it dano baya na mo be aduasa ubewura boxing him Algeria Belaili Mahrez Algeria announced to that be born in a banisto Pennsylvania. Big opportunity. Referee say offside. Referee say offside. Hey, offside. But I don't think so. Okay, offside. Offside it here. Algeria. Offside it here. Algeria. The Desert Foxes of Algeria. Obetima from the Phoenix of Algeria. Another foul. Pony too physical. Sima Dunie, Algerian Shepi. Equatorial Guinea Shepi. Okuma 97.1. Total African Cup of Nations live commentary. Yes, Yadapa. Besia ESLink Security Services. ESLink Security Services. Abu Kraimu. Decoder, DSTV, GoTV, antennas. Nina ESLink Security Services. Our brewer capim. Ani a brewer capim. I want our friend was 0241 66 7285. 0241 66 7285. Parliament Sport, oh Parliament Sport, more blow heavy. My BM Adamu Aze Adamu Mutie live commentary. So do health insurance Chief Adamu. Yes. Strong anything nipa. My BM Ani Aze Mutie live commentary. Sansuna na ajele old education opposite na ajele wa biemu pa na ajele Sansuna do Pentecost Smart Renchi opposite mommy so biemu amafo tie live commentary ntene okuma yajiba bia okuman yajiba bia yabane yapa Okuman yabani yaba Ekemi wom Krobia wom Nana Kofi Okoya Jaman Jeff Kufu Boateng Paco Stage Kwesi Citizen DJ Vibes DJ Ziggy Tony Donzi Nana Damia Nana Kwame Perry the finest The boy Tibire Kase Yura Kofi Anson Bafo Kebi We have you Doctor Oboku Benson. We are heavy papa doctor. That means now una busiani nyina. A corner kick. Jaboti Equatorial Guinea. Ya pony tempo so Algeria ya cross the ball pim. Bona bedi. Equatorial Guinea na Salvador. Na Salvador stand to make a bono. Ya Pierre Ama Aisa Mandi or the man goalkeeper. Rice Mboli so Pierre Ama Bronten in the Atal Pierre Ama Mandi low pass no Chamares now Safa yeah abo Mares Suria Tiafa so referee self foul Mario Escobar from Guatemala or CFA Etienne Bronten Atal of Algeria Bonuma Ese Algeria searching for their first win in the tournament. Our first match, Omni Sierra Leone, Etumia ball 1-1. And now Omni Equatorial Guinea, a bomb second game. Bonuma Yere. Bonabedi, a Brantia in down, but Pierre Quetre, Ayama, Coco with the ball, Coco. Hey, Coco, Ghana, Coco, Maru Coco. Bonabedi, a couple, but Pierre Ama Salvador also, but I saw baby body the free war, or the Ama, Pensupani, Dananusa, I did a free some rough Sabana Trash throwing. A Brantia Siafa, Anima Equatorial Guinea, Neniabre Yepa, Siafa. Ayo throwing ya twatia Equatorial Guinea Pennsylvania watu dia chirem waneba Brantia ni yade ye chobisa rafisi tuaso apopa Pennsylvania sina kanima Borussia Mönchengladbach out the German Bundesliga nim Rami Pennsylvania 26 years na wa Branteneti otwa papa I throw in the Algeria na to the ban fifi I jura Balaili na so da bi ya jide free Salvador yeah den I dey pass no Iban Edu Salvador first match against Ivory Coast guys much and that's what I shall see Abedi Racing of Algeria wa Piadiama Branteneti Ade Benlari appeared on Pennsylvania back to Benlari on the Bonipa Benlari where Pierre Aisa Mandi Sinakai with the Spanish Premier La Liga Adema Villarreal 30 years na Branteneti Ponabiti Ponase Isma Ponase Obetua Bopasana na Dabi Asante Sanechi Ponase ni bona Sanechi dama Benlari where Pierre Mandi da ban fifi on the Piama Sofia Feguli long pass Atal wa controbono was Zobi Mares Aba a corner kick yeah but yeah o man in India Kutagini Rad Mares yes so far yeah about 17 minutes Algerian Sebi Equatorial Guinea Sebi a corner kick Mares for Algeria Pamlari Munanima Sobia Kokura corner the body tin Algeria the pinball the field Salvador Kokuto hey Iban Edu Salvador ya kwada bone papa ono mo man wuri Kokuto ya na Iban Edu Salvador Oshani Sani Fanua Tatunga Bese Tuta yeah Equatorial Guinea ya crowd Mabobo na tu baby and so Troina ya twetia the Phoenix of Algeria ya tunin tampaso Equatorial Guinea wanepa Koko wapola on eje Siafa America baba Siafa ofebengu wafebonu Siafa inside out Siafa what a save urade boni offside referee be kunipa
yeah, I think it was a nice build out from the left side of the Equatorial Guineans, down to an Siafa. One touch pass to me cry and to me beating a man until tell shoot if not the offside crana anka unyani ne moment goalkeeper or them Algeria and so trying their best to save the ball and I think it's a very very nice build out from them and so far one more relax say Womubenya Bono, then they take the Algerians on a counter, and so far the Oshimwa is working perfectly for them.
Yantua game so Ponabedi Equatorial Guinea for from goalkeeper Ovono Uchinejina Bono so the Bibi Naboni Ovono the Bibi Naboni Ovono the Bibi Naboni Amici Anita Mensa me baba kono no Anita Mensa oya heavy Anita oya heavy papa wani do ye pa Anita Mensa corner kick ya twetia Equatorial Guinea Belaili kofa bono Belaili kofa bono ya boni tempa so wani pa na supporting say Salvador Casasa Iban Edu Salvador Casasa and that's what I say coach Adema Algeria Onusa shall see you Opeli go so fire
I think Obeja because they were all disappointed especially Uko PMO or Algeria Kronuma Kasa they were all disappointed as said they will be Ghana Black Stars in young Giant supporters, as Ghanaians in young so this time round, there was a put pressure on the boys. Then boys so need to be more compact and more dedicated and determined to this particular game. I say womu win convincingly. Nefe na makro mo for ni nyina and womu ankasa no as a group no womu te womu say yes this time womu were in a smooth drive and they are on the route womu so able to make it their way through from the group stage to me accord the knockout phase.
Coach the Nigeria Balami Waja Apeli gonse mai Pona bedi Aisa Mandi of Algeria or show me the mano or ball on pass the Saka wine one epa Feguli Yajami Diama Rad Mahrez Ego Nasulebi Ponisaya Algeria Nasugo keeper Vono big opportunity in Algeria. Krobia.
Yeah, I think the game will be very, very interesting. And I said the kind of coach Nangasa Belmadi or Rankaseja, then players Nangasa Ansono is in their back, is at the back of their minds. This particular game, I say we winning convincingly. So they need to in the first half get a goal. Then in the second half, we more making sure say we move the back count because group and your group are by Abrawajo Okra. It could be say Algerians no be to me. Show the Ezedra and I say Oma get it out of the group because the more heading Osha Africa's points are also for a lead table 4 points. Then Sierra Leone grab 2 points. I think the group more heading if the person won't qualify now as Munjo this particular game was winning already. We disappointed my any coach into this game. It was a moment hope and high before answer I get late.
Algeria Mahrez Daminafa still Riyad Mahrez wapia wanepa Benasser obetuma bo pass nana wabo adiema Bensebaini okrosebe hu Bensebaini for Algeria putting pressure pressing gang pressing Mahrez ego yeah rafisa offside urade abregu offside now so video assistant referee video Odem Krobia.
Yeah, Mahrez no Odem, but I think even before Abrante friend Obonuja she go na suspect and an offside position say but meanwhile na Mahrez already know to me across the offside we line on Odem were clear offside. But I don't think without the VAR no can referee no who is still for an offside. Kawa dem crank kwadada.
Mahrez Odem Spanish Super Cup Madrid 1 Bilbao 0 first half see Luka Modric so far we piemu our Cameroon Douala Algeria LCB Equatorial Guinea LCB 24 minutes in airport Ponabedi Rice Mboli waboy simu tin Etrepa Pwanja wapia dema Mahrez control bonebehu Mahrez wachema akuna so yaje dia free nisem yeah akuyebe chegu anga gudora gina chegu yeah Ponabedi gudora gina na so throw ina yetu atia Equatorial Guinea Troina Yatwetia Equatorial Guinea Ayo Kuman 97.1 Okuman Yaba Niaba We say if you can't beat us just join us Yaba Nsuye Mediagro Ojani Edinam Enti ujina na wajina yi Obanso na wabani yi Yontua game no so Aisa Mandi wapia na Feguli back to Mandi apia na Abrante Atal ball tin Aisha Mahrez na so offside Offside tia Branta Balaili. Offside tia Branta Balaili. Tenente Paso. Equatorial Guinea. Oma pia bono. Equatorial Guinea. Esha Seneaka. Onya draw bi kra na against Sierra Leone. Yeah. Now come qualify.
Particular game no, they can also qualify because a game a woman no and said obia mobia, so it will be open game any buga game. But what will to me take you chances, when I'll be to me I'll qualify at the end of the day. And Equatorial Guinea and Sierra Leone definitely Equatorial Guinea and in terms of odds factor and as a favoritism, they are all standing tall to win the game. Equatorial Guinea a little upper hand over Sierra Leone, so they can also qualify if they manage to get at least a point out of this particular game.
Whenever Algeria, Pennsylvania, now Sulabi Salvador, Wayadie, Wajiboni the Freeze, Equatorial Guinea, Salvador, America, Papa, yeah, Salvador, Swan Salvador, see a channel, officer, Salvador, I see Banasa channel. Oh, that be Salvador, oh, dear, say Abrantian or yellow card that oh yes, I not care about red card.
Experience side and Salvador they were all Casano Crow and Shenia or Betumama referee Nankasa Buefunu because all over the pitch, left, right, center, or Casasa, every incident, boy could throw no complaining. Boy, a free kick no complaining. So on no moment I want Shenia, no better referee Nebufurada. Then on no moment to me, I get you into the books of the referee.
As the referee Mario Escobar, Ajifadi Salvador. And see, it's a referee Ajifadi say yellow card because of breaky attack. One epa Equatorial Guinea in down as you did free in some atal you're trying to natural referee say foul. Referee say foul to Equatorial Guinea. Abrante in down. Ugocha Atal Youssef Atal Sinaka France Edema Ojisenis Youssef Atal Yantua game so born abedi Abrante Pennsylvania Upia de Banim Upia de Ama Ben Larry Upia de Ama Isa Manti Amu Bobo no machire Algeria ese piadama Ben Larry na de Bonipa Ben Larry for Algeria was a piadama Isa Mandi chishobi de mano obo pass no na so anko abedi Feguli aje referee foul to Algeria. Sofiane Feguli was a referee, it wasn't a foul. See, it wasn't a foul. We need ball no. It wasn't a foul at all. Sofiane Feguli. As Equatorial Guinea in the pass, so over to Bono. Over the Ache, Bonabati, Abrante Dede, Panase, long pass. Ashisha, Abrante, offside. Offside it's your Algeria. Politely, as a referee that be on your offside. Referee says, my friend, keep quiet. Then I'm coming off. One epa in drunk for Equatorial Guinea. Sabe Kumsosa, America de, now should I be a permanent natural referee foul. Found the banner, we tryna. I want there. American saw there. In down here, I just saw speed into a water. Ata ona got the American confirm, but Ata so training on to speed. Akoya Mbappe ni Afonso Davis. Boni Maete. Et moi c'est et moi de 30 minutes played. Algeria Sebi. Equatorial Guinea Sebi. Bon appétit Algeria. Yeah, bon transfert. referee say share yanto aso penalty akapo wa piara ba fifi ono so ball ache ball say ye Equatorial Guinea wa piara ma ndong nepa o shobi ne ma no ndong yesefa ko achi o de akona ti dia ma branta ni dia de koko so piara ma Obian achifefefe ebuka ma waso ba si Obian pass na wa fanche wa pass fefefe o de ma akapo na de ball ne pa akapo ono so dia ye akapo de akoche ye twa. Referee play must continue. Algeria, Mahrez pass ya adai. Mahrez pass ya adai the ball nache. Mahrez the ball nache. Salvador, America baba share Salvador kucha. Yay, Krobia. Yeah, me Salvador,
I think Juma won't say mega say referee no one penny or no more go into the book of the referee and who share adioko kitty sa. This should have been a yellow card straight. And I know that referee no any kasano. Oh yes, say back on na me no ye pe one penny incident and it's somehow straight red card and you will be given a straight red card and also on Boasi. It's early days yet in the game we say obe and I say over that style of play. It's early days yet, but Belmadi game way you are more in obe drop up.
Yeah, referee Belmadi.
Yeah, we drop up.
Referee Antoine Zafre Ojera coach Belmadi.
Yeah, he was entrusting the referee to to issue an yellow card to Abrante Feno and then El Salvador and unze right because referee knew him there all year.
Belmadi Waja Ojera coach Waja as a referee a yellow card. Yes, a yellow card, the referee. Is the man a card at all player na try on us Waja. See the old chairman e booming coma na e booming e masa. Referee. The match you are eating it is good. Referee, the match you are eating it is good. Now see him to a game so 32 minutes and 33. Algeria and Shebi, Equatorial Guinea Shebi, Total African Cup of Nations, Douala Cameroon, Pony Margin, Abrante near the Benlari near the body, Algeria, staging forward, Wapia Dema, Abrante Isa Mandi, Waboni Tintin Deswe, Wabonte in the Ponicha, America Baba, yay, Equatorial Guinea goalkeeper, Wabonu Bim Mampen was about to watch him baby. It's Repaya Salvador. Salvador there. Me knew Salvador. Salvador. Iban Edu Salvador. Kasasa Oboni. Yantua game so. Bamlari for Algeria. Ono de Bonipa. Yeah, the Bona Coche. Atia for so. Now should I be? Babana say. Wabeji Bono. Wapia ma. Abrante in the Balaili for Algeria, Balaili or Shobia Passano, Passana free, while passing the Amaisa Mandi, Onozo Pierre Ma Brenton in Sofia Faguli back to Banasa Tana for Fefe, Waneba, while Pierre Ma Balari, back to Mende, Baya. Yapia Faguli Nadi Bonaba. Sofia Feguli, Oshevia Mano, Algeria, 1-2 asu, Nasatia Faso, Wanepa, Equatorial Guinea, Abrante Nide, Aya Picoro, Yachan the National. Yes, Salvador, Mr. Casasa. Salvador, Casasa, also dear cry, Mama, Carabaka James and movie card. Abrante Garnet. The channel na show Isa Mandi. We channel manako Abrante no papa. 22 mfanya mo. And so Salvador catch referee say the try you try me play on my card. Referee say she. We dey o. We go to obi kra say man fiu. Go to obi kra man fiu back say me my card. Equatorial Guinea. Center circle up here. Ya point tempaso. Bona be di Coco na de Bonipa, Onuzo Piadiama. Hey. And down back to Coco. A ball pass. Nasidabia fa. Salvador between day. You're swimming not to baby. Hey, up in the winner. You're just for the Salvador, Chef Salvador. Ozia Makad. Iban Edu Salvador.
I think the Salvador. I don't know because the captains Bema Salvador party. I'm hoping say menya ni game bia ene obwa captain amband no ebon insa because the war no instructor game ni mu dey too much and some referees yes I do the likes of Anthony Taylor ade a won pekra won the referee mu say odi game na wo ba be che say na simesi yeme which is hard no end obema card this year the Salvador here no there I think say if they yabro her leadership way qualities gramposo
a free kick Salvador wajam whenever Marcel hey bona pipono Equatorial Guinea on the blind side of the goalkeeper and come on the shower Equatorial Guinea the goalkeeper show referee say foul hey players na to akọ so referee say abotre Pennsylvania, you know this on your share. Bonnie Wedding. What a game! Okachin on the blind side of the goalkeeper. Yes, Rice Mboli. Teach you pony kakra.
Na ege dia Salvador.
Ivan Edu Salvador.
Oriented now. Papa. He's one very personal. Me believe it's a dressing room obey so influential or dressing room because said you to know obey that ruffian kind of player and I think it was a nice taking free kick from Equatorial Guineans, you know, and they nearly get the goalkeeper on that throat. If you draw the ball no share now, it will be very, very hard for some of the keepers on to me and keeper don't so yard in bowling or don't so to me a yard pass or save that situation, you know.
Far away to Equatorial Guinea, Rice Mboli. A boy Simon Tintin, a trepa pine, Bonabati, Dabi Afa, Algeria, Salvador, Cocha, yay, Professor Tosso, Salvador, Bonabati, Panase, Wapianama, Bessupani, Nama Palali, long ball as Obia, Algeria, Sena Babona Adia, and Shana Fo, coach in Algeria, Belmadi, Waja. Belmadi Aja. Belmadi Waja Algeria coach. Waja papa. Akosi asachibia. Hey, akosi asany. Kufasa mamba. Akuya asachibia. Amichia utie commentary no. Akuya asachibia. Amichia. Ana perfect na kwa akojare. Akuya asachibia o heavy. Kufasa mamba. Belmadi coach in Algeria. Waja going in by into Waja. A corner kick to Algeria. The ball is Equatorial Guinea. Salvador. What a strike from Salvador. That's the ball in a post.
Yeah, I think Salvador trying the best papa, and he nearly gets it at the back of the net. He nearly puts and the Equatorial Guineans ahead. And I think one way to me, two chances be a very, very, very crucial on the half of any Algerians, you know. And Algeria, they need to step up. They need to very, very step up their game because they are one way, this particular game. A bit to me, I know so I'm say forms are because said in this area, I don't for no a hold you on. I'm looking for a game one in Guineans and so on. One more shared that particular video, and they have also taken some notes and possibly some negativity aspect of any Algerian side, you know, and they said they are able to media hold you on, and they are also doing justice to that, getting one or two few chances. Like I said, they are also up front, one more be clinical, then if not, or one more be to me at least even a goal before as an Algeria for me to me at Tikano.
So far about 40 minutes. I got 5 minutes now for the kind of pandemic. Algerian Shepi. Equatorial Guinea enso nsebi bona bedi Aisa Mandi wapia na mani goalkeeper Rice Mboli wapia bone dia ma Bamlari na de bone pa onu sa se pia na ma Aisa Mandi wasa pia na ma Bamlari wapia na ma Bamlari long ball ojisha Bonija na safa Boni seye Belaili ajibono Belaili referee toso bona bedi Isma Panase wapia ma Bamlari wasane mutintin ya bani sani faso Abante Atal na de bonba wacho Mares betwachana Mares ntwanchi Mares asandi akona chiwantwanchi Boni seye Algeria swinging passes together looking for the opener. Now so Emwa Dindia Momo. Algeria. Atal. We're boxing him. Atal ball up him. Algeria. Referee didn't want to pass.
It's build up. You know. We should give more Bono. I think that I end-to-end action. Now we make sure that all the call opposing opponents. Now they are able to me. Unzunya now they are basa. But in all, Algerians, are poised for a goal. But Abrante FN Riyad Mahrez, that guy in down, it's me holding ye papa and or man or even a single chance obey to me the ball no afano. Riyad Mahrez are taking on players most of the times and then a dribbling ability, but to me show even a single and I say a penny even in this particular game in down it will be announced to me and making sure say to me and who papa and Mahrez in this particular guy or on yellow card that I know. If done a dribbling ability taking on players never definitely in don't be found in one situation a bit to me a very crucial then it will result in a red card a bit to me a short in man because we said ya womu bedia if say hang for no to me use one skills and they said they name the pedigree that skill and ability from Algerians so to me use ye pa me hope say we Equatorial Guineans in to me at least a red card then also to me open away I'm out Nina can give no that is a way sometimes if the opponent is tougher unzube to me have one would asheno and I think the Mahrez issue on unzo everyone home in soka krana wa mayehu the Mahrez aye nyina ye nimu e football mu no
so far ya ball 44 minutes Algeria Sebi Equatorial Guinea Enso Sebi Algeria Sebi Equatorial Guinea Sebi Mami Anyumrei Mintunti Afama Piaro Public Relations Officer Adema Center for Plant Research and also Obichire yes Obichire Piaro Mamitiano Onene Deputy Vanessa Omute live comment drum heavy Moya heavy papa Piaro Adema Obichire Bichawa Nyumrei a free kick Etia Equatorial Guinea baby abone dane anamon ba ko pe na wadu box room referee Mario Escobar
on the one yama yet and game no abrono so one yama is trying to control the game then have that calm and I say well we calm game it down then the tempo everybody will be okay but it seems like players no complaining too much I said the woman and channel the on here. Obesha Abrante friend no the moment or call down and no show in say any yema player of foul on a card, which is not fair in the game. And the way one more complaining at it, no, I know the interview baby with well say with the wow pushy players, Nigerians are not thing, and the player has been shown the yellow card, and I think that they should allow the referee to do his work. Though some of these players are complaining, you see, and Wasama another card just because you see Fata complaining. He said, no, it should have been a red card. I don't know.
Referee Mario Escobar Sabi, or no nonsense referee.
Sure, and both teams, players in England need to be very, very, very careful because the way we complain, 2-2-2 match. Yes, 2-2-2 match. Right now, you know about over 4.5 yellow cards. Yes, Algeria to me is 3.
Yes,
Algeria 3. Then Guinea-Bissau for no to me 2. Oh, okay, into 3-3. So what I say in first half now, 6 yellow cards. I don't think it's fair for both teams,
Because you born in the Utu namba kupe wadu ya kutura kini boxing. Mares wadi ya nidium.
Yeah, you say 2019 or maybe 2 free kicks I know to share, including the final against Nigeria.
Wadi ya nidium. Referee bona pen. Bakumi ya numesa. Mares over the bar. Amfa. Yeah. Referee Mares Copa from Guatemala. Wabona bay. And your ferry canning in a Banavia. Salvador, baby, or that. Salvador, that form chamber.
Yeah, on Pese, BBIBC on Becase Salvador, or Yenuama. The technical team when you be Equatorial Guineans will be who say yes. Only the man on the page, or can be a babe, or no, why Jumani is showing up like, or Kasama always be away when the presence, or failing the presence when you say, yeah, any action be a no be so on so I try say, or best of the situation, and that's also maybe in the side, so, but he should calm down because Kasani Yard also.
And your ferry canning in a Panamia, Piemu, our Cameroona, Algeria Shabi, Equatorial Guinea Shabi, and I come here upon side in the meeting. Wait to my friend AK, Abibi and so I come across Sante, the summarize and you me Jamu, now feels in the writer, and so that my to us so first toss me in a shasia. Remember, now feels Bibi and Sono, to me, Akoso Kama, yes, yes, the commentary now, but no, I mean, here. Anyway. I mean, here, event saying, patience don't call. Yes, patience don't call. Minchiano, Michia, move from Janava, I mean, yeah, when I write that, and so I'm assuming I think so. Omfa, Nyakanso, and Tuamuso.
At the cradle of our fathers, we came to win, we accept no defeat.
We are young, we are strong, we are champions. We gonna rise up above the sea. Africa unite. Together as one.
Celebrating African ways, African loving African people, African youth, African kings and African queens.
Africa est bonne, Africa est douce. Everybody come together as one, we'll rise.
Africa tonight. Sound of the line. My people know we go conquer.
We stand for Africa.
If we do all together,
we sing for Africa.
we go conquer.
We stand for Africa.
If we do it together,
We sing for Africa.
Africa unite. Together as one. Intahari, Galial, Tazenandi, Monial, Tamustabal.
With a heritage and spirit that never dies, the African dream will always survive.
Ici c'est la Terre Sainte, la patrie des dieux, bienvenue sur la terre-mère. Le nord, le sud, embrassent l'est et l'ouest, on vit le rêve de
Aquí
Norbert.
estamos, en la tierra de nuestros abuelos.
Você sabe que as crianças são futuro, trazendo esperança para a próxima geração.
On docte pour l'Afrique de Djibouti au Sénégal. Comme mendiant, tout ce que je fais c'est soulever le Graal. L'Afrique est belle, l'Afrique est jeune, l'Afrique est forte. Enfant de la terre, mère, lève le poing et envoie-lui du love. Enfant de la terre, mère, lève le poing et envoie-lui du love.
All right, first the past match of the game up on the rear. Algeria to me and Serbia, Sasso. And Equatorial Guinea soon, Xavier. And Sunday on YouTube. I see 1-1. No. It will end in 1-1. Sunday no fi Benin. No. Kwanu won pa. I see Algeria best first. Now I hear is Tiano, Nana, I feel wrong. It is all right, live on Okuma Radio 97.1. Take control of your song country. I see a hard jockey in Denumbre, AFCON 2021. Now, come on, Sunanya Fediagro. What ye can? Yes, a solid commentary. What you about? The writer, commentator, near TWC for short. Oh no, here. If you told me, blue goes no. Teachers, it could be your Ediato Soko YouTuber. Yes, to me life for hi, I had Jackie. Yes, come on, dear. Yes, you back to me. You know me, your father. Come start the year. I'm sorry, you know yourself. That's it. Yet, Samini on. Yet, boy. Get in there. Africa, tia Samini or tia, eba boy ba. Yeah, guy you. Africa sunshine. Second in there. Get the very day. Easy. I got a radio at the other part. Challenge easy. It's no. Mamichia. Madame Kia, brutal, papa. It's like Gladys. Brutal. Yeah, you say the Ajafe. So be a diza. Yeah, guy, you. Children charge up again. African sunshine rise up again. North to the south to the east and west. See the youth, them I gotta feed the prize up again. It's no. How come on your ferry agrochina? And then last second round match Sabatoja. Nyami Adumochina. The last group stages match Sabatoja. The only 13 we are qualified at. Watching out, command 4 p.m. Burkina Faso and Ethiopia. South Sudan Kwatini convert. Wanibo Kwati. And on my end, Cameroon Babo. And no. Last group matches. Wombo simultaneously. If they say something simultaneously, they are playing the team at the same time, 4 p.m. Tiano, you're live come out to one game, Baba. You're shiny as Sonny Swatch and Grofom Pesom, Omtrifom Bono. Near the one game about Tuesday, no idea. Yesterday, Tuesday, no idea. Atia. Nyamiaduma Tuesday, Malawi in Senegal, 4 p.m. Zimbabwe and the Kiribabo. Gabon, Morocco. Now 7 p.m. Now mighty the Black Stars of Ghana. About 7 p.m. on the Comoros. Gauro and Akin Vetoja. And that team no. Yame Chade. Womaka Koduka Roa. No. This is Samini West. You bet me out one. Tie Samini West. No. The hijack will be system. to me chatting to me nya kokra ye dinza da hodi. You don't have anything to say. Africa kama ikia. How many your friends? Yes, your boy. Yeah, guy. See mama children. Africa sunshine. North to the south to the east. Ngara no count na me metias ngara say. Ngara say. Hey. Blah. Tia into YouTube for Mutia West no. YouTube listen to the West. If you can sing the song, then you type it. I want the Samini part. Sunday, Yaga, you listen. Have you listened to the West? Join our YouTube. Zanet yo, Yanisa. Join it. I support meeting. You were able to be there, sir. I'm a pet. Eba Samini, but you. What you see? She is having a simple crowd. Eto join our YouTube. I'm for Johnny. Mondrani. Me say Samini part me pen and me pet. What bet me a type a year there Samini to you know. Hey, me not what here. Me say join our YouTube. See just listen to the part of Samini Keke. Would me type in the correct words in the far. I'm going to tell you something. Live for Kuma Radio 97.1. Johnny. Me say Mondrani. Me say Mondrani. No, let's go. The people have joined at YouTube. I'm not for joining. One more joining. Mutia Samini part in the mame. Let's do to Samini part. No more type in mame. What it? Ba see mama children.
African sunshine rise up again. North to the south to the east and west. See the youth them a gather for the prize up again.
Woke up PMO. That was Super Cup final. Atletico Bilbao Madrid 2. Luka Modric first goal. Ana Karim Bram Mustafa Benzema. Penalty kama. Wakatum Nyama. Hey Madrid, join our YouTube. I just want you people to listen to the part of Samino. If you know the song, you can sing, then you just type it. If you get it correct, I'm going to do it this thing. At now, time Shabia, South Sudan time now, so Shabia. You bought 12 minutes. Tier. What a pa. Sophia share. Team Soma qualify. Nyamia Dubochina and there. Game weapon a year per year. At a second round. Group A, 10 year bombe. Both Quatini Cameroon. We qualified for the next stage of the competition. We call round of 16. Burkina Faso. Nyamia Dubochina. We need Ethiopia, babo. So to me, we need Ethiopia. Obabenya 6 points. No qualify. Go Quati. Are Kefe. Nyamia Dubochina Cameroon, babo. more 3 points. What's the one you draw? One is about to qualify. What about the third place team? I qualify. Group B and Unie. Poma Kwati Adikini. Our 4 points. Senegal 4 points. Malawi was 3 points. Zimbabwe and Yababia. 80 Group B bien qualify. Group C and Unie. Ghana. Morocco qualified for round of 16 with 6 points. Nyami Aduma Tuesday. Morocco and Gabon Mabo. Gabon 4 points. Ghana 1 point. Yanu Comoros Mabo Tuesday 7 p.m. You need a game now. Yaba qualified for round of 16. Ghana lose against Comoros. Comoros may qualify. No. Moving the agro. Group D. Nigeria qualify with 6 points. Egypt qualify. Guinea-Bissau qualify. Sudan qualify. Group E and Unie. Ivory Coast qualify. Shaolin qualify. Algeria soon qualify. Equatorial Guinea soon qualify. Group F and Unie will play qualify. Gambia with 4 points. Mali with 4 points. Tunisia with 3 points. Mauritania and Yababiao. It won't last. Won't the alcohol? I've called in the deal with my bazar. You have a crossover. Second department. Mamara. Abran 30. Adioke. When you are thrashing, more joining on YouTube. You have drop a comment no. Eke ba crossover. Eke. Ya bashana ya and ya crossover. Eke second part as another.
Entiamo bibi akwa bien fambra fait tosumienu. The match between Algeria and Afensono Equatorial Guinea. So far about 46 minutes. Obian Shepi. Bidian and Kwame Amponsati. Ubetima from AK. Me summarizer Krobia Sante. Onosoha. Krobia offer tosumienu ashas here. And then I'll share second half.
Yeah, from the Guinean side, Equatorial Guinean side, measure say one will be maintaining, one will shape, Then again, one will share down creative chances. Make us say the fault of attackers no need to mean put at the back of the net. Few chances are women, their best they could do. One way to me show me say they look more threats, and womunya any other clear cut chance I won't to me actually. Then again, we share Algeria side now. Algeria were all the men. One war in the pitch in so and I say at the heart of the attack equally good as one more bench. Islam Slimani, a particular player on no bench or on any day of friend will to me about say to me. Then again, Said Ben Rama on to me a because me expecting more from Riyad Mahrez. Me said then who I say the first game no say yani kan young engineer who Riyad Mahrez. Then again today same pepe no san issue. Yan said then who the performance bia Riyad Mahrez ayi ni no dey on to me even entry player ba kumpo man ka say yeah Riyad Mahrez ni and I'm hoping say obey to me aba into the game this very half. Abrante friend ni don etumi eso ni mu yie pa and onso on yellow card no me Riyad Mahrez me agent say obey more traits of the obey push Abrante friend no don more and if so continue FR now maybe we be to me if aba and coach our friend obey Omadi Islam Slimani or bench or Yasin Ibrahimi in the first game. Ni more than one shot and so no so any chances na ni position a very good buy in the box but those chances only any na o into me amfani na into me anye hwe e ho ono so our bench on need do betumi aba be make defense no side Benrahma so these attacking players are all hono ni midfield no all players e ho no a omo so betumi aba be boa ama dwumedi en betumi akoso yi ama and for now womu ni problem bia o midfield no e ho no nto the only thing any problem always is your attack no it was same function here but you ensure that attack here it was same function here in the year 2019 we move winning AFCON no you performances are one of the chassis any baby are one here so this time I say I a bit slower so they need to lift up very high now and also one we defending champions and they say one trend
Equatorial Guinea answer try Abrante Siafa Wafrimo ama Luis Nlavo anu swapem Siafa Frimo ama Luis Nlavo wapem Yantua game in 49 minutes Algeria Sebi Equatorial Guinea Sebi Pon apa Infifia Fem Abedi Aissa Mandi Wapia de aba Abrante ni na Ben Lowry de akwa chire de amani goalkeeper Rice Mboli apia Adiama Aissa Mandi Fifi FM Ismail Pana say 10 enough Atiafa so Equatorial Guinea Salvador Equatorial Guinea Equatorial Guinea Luis Nlavo big opportunity Adiama Equatorial Guinea
yeah anka Bowe party I was say one to me share Osha Abrante friend no level in their first game against Eneno Ivory Coast on no starting game no but no no into me and find the back of the net and no na so man here the Abrante aye friend of fear also the star fear also Siafa yeah they know where best start or no so in the first half no share down here bad because attack ye e win balls more of the balls ba enim ho no so young ehu ni dibrewo box ni mo or Algerian box ni this time round or the 11 na meaning say ono no ye wo mu potent striker or team ni so this time we to made the number early in the game and as a second half no so chances like this and this be say no Banizana change now in the coach here no now just emphasis be ambasu because you should be more potent than their uniform no
Mausa Abrante Ben Lowry other from Algeria our first settled jersey Ben Lowry other from Ben Lowry other from Jamal Edin Ben Lowry 32 years na Abrante na di Sinakai ewo Kata Adama Kata Siap Abrante ni Sharambo team ba Sharambo team ya sa team ga say aba Leon Leon ko Kata okro about 6 matches
yeah one more there say one more yes
aba sababu sa
one winning name about the experience is never in doubt sure. And whenever be more opportunity 2019 we share no or you very very crucial on long balls pa and onya obi or sharp now on the Abrante no Bunaja ewo in the attack no na long balls no always no or to me find one then on the left side Abrante no Riyad Mahrez say 2019 no is so influential na me hu ni ye pa and in their first game ye hu no obe hu no ye hu no just like into me afa insunso anzo papa be into me afa but due to attackers no more than one ambo but in the long balls ade aye hu ye papa any experience at the back said you organize the back and so solid
yes sure Abrante no betuma to aso Ben Lowry Ya sure so betu to aso. Yes. Warm up bi cause we achiri. Warm up cause we achiri. Rice Molly for Algeria. Boy Simon tin pine. Bonabeti. Abrante Coco. Body Fletcher. One echo. Luis level offside. Offside to Equatorial Guinea. And then pass Algeria 4-2. Algeria yet in a competition. Almost a goal with all the attackers, with all their players. They are yet to score in the competition. Our first match up was 0-0, and now Amusu was 0-0. Abrante Medi Tarat, Wabema Beya Abrante Pamlari. John Twa gave the so. Ismail Banase, Wapia Dama Bensopaini back to Banase, Yajidia Free is Sulia. Now, so they born out Tracia Made throw in, La Torrent Paso, one epa, Abrante Punja, Wapia Dama, Abrante Banasa, Pia Dama Bensopaini for Algeria, or they are quite ready. Come, I Samanti. Yeah, I was starting attacking him. Equatorial Guinea for Omaye Chirewa Pampe. Omaye Chirewa Pampe as a Braboni Aboso. Pampe. Poinepa. Atal Piama Feguli. Ten show me mano. Wanepa. Atal cross the ball. Across the bono. Algeria na Surapi. Ibo de French. A corner kick. Salvador. Aye Jumano. Iban Edu Salvador. Pimboni the French run to Bona Tracia. A corner kick. A corner kicker. Yetu Eretia. Equatorial Guinea. And then pass one up. Belaili. Obetuachana. Belaili. Wapiana Penase across the border. So be annual. The Pimboni the French or Bona Tracia. A throwing Etia. Equatorial Guinea. Coach in Algeria, Pomadi Neniabre, Benase, Opia Bono, Benase Neba, or they are confident of my Prantan in the Ice Mandi, Apia Edema, Abrante Atal Yama Mares, beautiful control for Mares, Opia Feguli back to Prantan in the Answade, Bendabka, Opia Ice Mandi. Wapia Dema Branto Bamucha Tarat in Sodiama Bensubaini back to Tarat Kum Taratozu Ankanon Taratozu General Coach that's Yamabusu Faguli Wapia Dema Mares Betwachana Wachobo Pasabeu Mares Pasabeu Wadile Pasano Wadiama Benase Piana Bensubaini betima crossena wa cross Algeria no Serbia ibo the fly no so corner kick Belaili the ball no boy no ye the free line no so it's a corner kick ya to Algeria crop ya Sante.
Yeah, nice cross from Bensibani, then finds Abranta and the friend Belaini, and the header no was cleared by Equatorial Guinea defender, and from Munzo Abo more than say we to me clear that chance, and so far pressure Algerians in the two Muswa. I'm only hoping say we to me go, because for a defending champions we always say Benya from the knockout stages now we to me to me but Equatorial Guinea it proved very much stubborn because of the me say one share Sierra Leone sending our money Algeria bueno, and they are doing exactly that. We share 4-4-2 formation always having a brand here and as a brand here then 4 at the back, 4 at the midfield, all attacking, then all defending, and I think Enona so far and they are not giving any chance for Algerian skillful players like Riyad Mahrez and the likes.
Corner kick here, Equatorial Guinea. Algeria putting pressure. Now Serbia Amfa Bona Tracia throw Yabetuatia Equatorial Guinea. Troa ya tuatia Kutura Guinea. Troa ya tuatia Kutura Guinea. Atoni tampaso. Atal bona fa. Boni say. Aboni bimli ya frechro. Bona bedi Mahrez. Mahrez lose control. Mahrez lose control. Wana ba Feguli. Ya jide ya finish ya Koko. Wamene supum. Abodi ya frechro. Penu wasem. Bona bedi. Basipaini. Wapimi ya filo. Bala Algeria ya pimo bio. Referee ya tuaso. Akutura Guinea. Koko. Koko confidence na wasuro. Koko confidence na wasuro. Atifa so na suwese. Bona bedi. Brandon Idade Marson. Osikona me pass away. Bona bedi. Akutura Guinea swinging passes together. Confidence na wasuro. Pressure ni omuso. Ya pia bono. Akutura Guinea. Obo pass ebe Nesaka miamenipa. Salvador. Wakati in. Obo passa. Salvador. Obo pass. Akutura Guinea. Now so that be. Referee say foul. Tia Algeria. Referee Mario Escobar from Guatemala. Say foul. Etia Algeria. Baby, I'm born in that ehu. Abrantia Salvador. I don't know about press over. Hey. Atal. You go try it. Atal Akocha. Kin Vibro. Free kick na Gosiaga. Atia faso na so da bi. Algeria foul. Interpire upon the tenter so wine up. Pennsylvania. America ba. Opia dama. Balaili. Across Ebeu. Balaili. Wabosho bonapem. Bonisaya. Atal for Algeria. Atal. Obutuma crossena. Wa crossing us Salvador. Wa pimboni de frechiro. Salvador. Wa pimboni de frechiro. Kin da Vibro. Kin na Vibro. Kin Vibro anyumrei. Mami chao. One Eric Nana Kwasibua. Prince Ajasare. Michamu. Nanaba kwa jiriba. Pebi kokonsa. Michamu anyumrei. Muya heavy. Poni etro. Meusi Algeria. Enchamu bayensa chiraye. Algeria ben sachara bona be Mahrez wa pia de Atal nepa America ba Atal for Algeria na sida bi Algeria free ni sam Chafa Kufu Boateng Atal ene Odiagro. This should be a yellow card. Krobia, it should be a yellow card.
Yeah, it should be a yellow card, but referee, you know. And now we want to friend Bonuja now or instruct the referee need to give a card. These are some of the things that if the referee know any time so be my card cry due to player no I don't know into Nibube Fukra say and then me man card cry. So they need to be very disciplined. They should allow the referee to work. Then maybe if say be infringement, you know, and that's you have the audacity to complain, but not. After say infringement now no na we issue say on my card on you say man referee no directives, you know, and there it will be very hard for him to also go by the area work. If it happens and I say we instruct, you know.
D-Man, yes, it's only the ball. D-Man, waba. The controversial man about Gunta and Anakoye. Obi andeka. Obiska biansa fu biansa. Okay. The boy about 62 minutes. Algeria Shebi, Akutura getting Shebi. ESLink Security Services. Algeria, Atal, ya Pierre Ma, Penase, Obetuma Passana, Passanako, Ponisay, Algeria, Daminam for Algeria, my money, you cry. The Chatal in that one to reference that foul. And Natal, you trying to pa. Okay. ESLink Security Services Adaruma. Amukraimu. Super decoder, DSTV decoder, Go TV decoder, Unsabekebi. Abrantia, Baghdad. Efrimo ama Islam Slimani apem Sansuna Sofiane Feguli Anusu Efrimo ama Branten ni Boalaya Ezobem Boalaya Farid Sinaka France Mamet Anusu apem free kick Mares Someone told me about tempo in the form. Red Mahrez. And then for a free kick. Algeria. And Zudabi. I'm for We say Bilbao is fooling here. Hey, I'm out for Krata. Amanfo Ankrata Samunkoye. Amanfo Ankrata Samunkoye kra. Bilbao. Amanfo Ankrata Samunfa. Equatorial Guinea. Answer yes actually. Equatorial Guinea yes actually. Branton ni Ade Bikoro film Federico Bikoro Sinaka Spain ma Hercules Bikoro film ama Jose Antonio Boacho Enswapem Jose Antonio Boacho Apem Sansuna Brantanidi Ade Baila Enswe film Baila film Fine Bem Baila film ama Brantanidi Ade Anza Onuswabem Algeria ya chobri na chwa referee foul. Equatorial Guinea for Omutapa Krabia.
Yeah, I think that they be able to need the 66 minutes there. It was a woman make sure that and yeah they will remember that chance because pressure and the Algerians in so person woman funny and they were scoring boots no woman to me anya go and they are creating more chances. Okay, and they boy our more ball in 50 coming on there and they slim money about the count. I think that one will be looking more threats and anger for goals. I won't be to me the early goal. This time round, I'm expecting a Riyad Mahrez this current free kick or Bado Bueno on making sure say the measurement and the technique work it to perfection. I won't to me a goal because last 2 years, which were 2019, the ball AFCON, the IMI the free kicks. And the other two are special, including the final day, the audition Nigeria to me woman winning trophy, and I expect Riyad Mahrez said this particular ball like this, be to me at the age. When your first one was squander, and this time I was on to me and Shegun because one more every year, one more chifa and these are opportunities that be to me and now the but open play means one more struggle to create the side of an Equatorial Guinea for no, and if you are struggling to create when you win your set pieces like this, I also want to me making sure say you be using the paper.
A free kick at the Algeria, but baby, I born in the yeah. Salvador, Osanko Biao. Salvador, at the former one, baby, I born in the and I'm all baby, you know, we're boxing him. Mahrez, what Pierre Mapolo say? I won in a post, yeah. Azamfa, the boy, born Amfa.
Nana yemu bibi adwene bi akwa bamra okoma sense Algeria for baba kwasam kakra since in the 80s musu pija African Cup ni bi ebra na rubber magic isi akamo no mama mo musu bi wa be say 2 years ago say na Akrobia Ekano na this time around defending champions and na woma baya Victoria Guinea free any omode pumanisa I think say na ya o kan wasem no ball no bia hubo nti game my I think say ding don affair ma give no affair defending champions against Victoria Guinea for Victoria Guinea omunye bad sa but I think say modern bono na enu Algeria for them but omo tuna Algeria say omo defending champions almost ball no say omo sua ball omo hu adum pempen so a between omo ball akwate nti kudos to Victoria Guinea for this performance.
I know some of the boy area to try Atia Faso Victoria Guinea now so there be a ibon the French no that's a pioneer ibon the French or the Algeria and come so best papa what we talk now anga Algeria I after dying come so best and come so best papa Loriton ina uku anyumire mi chiao ai ni nyina odo ai ni nyina benja mi udwami a nyu bi asayo Loriton ina uku mi chiao wa pie mu amono krom udu amono krom a fia no na ukọ suro kakra na yes ya biem o ma biem atefa zo ego Ego Equatorial Guinea Gonaba Equatorial Guinea atwat na wa yeah Krabi asante
yeah we dey enye hey okay enye good news na momu no ukọ Equatorial Guinea woman so no news papa can see pa Makajo said this particular game game was woman so win game na woman so a chance to qualify even if say woman about draw na woman stand a chance of qualifying from the group stage because woman a game against Sierra Leone another stubborn side in their last game encounter in the group phase and so far chances upon chances are in Nigerians need to me create a woman to me and bury then from any counter attacker and kawamu ye die nya sa go no and corner na buy no Bensibani etumi save Algerians no by putting the ball corner then corner no be mu look at their organization at the back very poor then came Abrantia or defender their number 5 Abrantia friend no Esteban Obian
yes
Obemunje wa born no modern Esteban Obian ewo game ni mu dada ono no or game ni mu dada yes Obian no ye number 5 yeah ono number 5 potent one pa ene ejuma wa bo we kire wo no wa ye ejuma end that go away to me no I think say a plus for Equatorial Guineans no and womo ahodi a womo say any womo tactics any bibia no etumi aye ejuma ma 1-2 if say counter attack ni etumi aye ejuma ma womo then from a set piece say they na make us Algerians no womo to me create from open play on the in the halves of and I say team I friend of Equatorial Guinea so unya certain set pieces corners free kicks near there was say we make sure say we be using here and then no na any no womo dey punish womo no
Asosiaba Algeria da former kaba ko ntumi tie Asosiaba pa 72 minutes Algeria 0 Equatorial Guinea 1 Asosiaba yeah Algeria fault Algeria Loriton ina uku Algeria ina uku Lorita biso omono krom wa Algeria Asosiaba ma ina uku Lorita Algeria ya sachara Yasin Brahimi wabem Brahimi abem Obemma Bay Abrantianini Ade Bendabka Yusuf Pendeka wafiri mama Brahim Abem Algeria atuwa mwenye atuwa bench 73 minutes Algeria 0 Equatorial Guinea 1 goal kick Rice Moli wapoe simu tintinti wanepa etirepa ya Slimani no icho Mahrez na sofa Amerika ba Mahrez na goal keeper ofono ibibi na mone I can't say it. I can't say ya. You can't say it. I'm out for me to bet you any more chroma. The boy. I'm out for the bet you when you can't say ya. Because the defending champion cry. I said no.
I don't know. And can't be a what I say. One more actually defending champions here. Sebi will be a new or Bob or a sad or just Doris I can see. What I say, players, a big babo, a Arsenal. Because you are near Contaqua. What I say, Algeria for you on Becwana. What I say, you are on Becwana. It's defending champion on Becon. Yeah, then what did you do? Did you say? I said, defending champions. Algeria for them, Algeria, I think they have porous defending system. They always go near share first one. Only at the same thing and share. And second one, Baba share. What I think there are more problem kakra our defense one of what I say yeah
Nana Kofi courage man say man for me more Algeria on say any am there yeah if you can see am sam ko na wan ko ni ya if you can see waso ba yese right amfo amfa if you can see amfa kura Brahimi ba mun che ba to twade yeah ya to game no so 75 minutes Equatorial Guinea 1 Algeria 0 Rice Moli wapoe simu tintinti Slimani wape mbona na subona ko bona beti fifi stay Equatorial Guinea mo Prododo Beso Beni wapiana ma Abrante Aisa Mandi apiana ma Abrante nini Answadi Buyala stani tintinti yeah about to actually be a bukra yeah Algeria mfa kura mfa na nyumre mfa Abrante Lavo obama otiti Algeria foro otiti Algeria foro yeah Asose yaba Algeria Mahrez Atal Nasia ibonde frechiro Atal Equatorial Guinea foi ibonde frechiro wa we bizano Equatorial Guinea Equatorial Guinea unyini Equatorial Guinea na Algeria no Rafi Mario Escobar wana vedao Salvador Iban Edu Salvador da form Iban Edu Salvador controversial player on the Bibia Tessa Suarez ne Tessa Suarez Iban Edu Salvador Ekona ana Equatorial Guinea apre sabe toba ko anim ye fimutuo ada pom Equatorial Guinea asabako Algeria entumenteye Asosiaba. Yeah, against Ivory Coast, I wouldn't say enough for. Against Ivory Coast, enough for. And corner kick, Kayabatia. Equatorial Guinea, 78 minutes. Algeria la former Kaba come to meet here. The ball corner in the sim. Algeria. Nasurabi. Now Algeria per penalty. Nasurabi Ovono. I say, hey, sorry, number one count. Now Algeria per penalty. Yeah. What about Mr. Owana? Yeah. I'm showing you. You two again, so Dabi. You cross the ball, no. Now so they foul to Algeria. Foul. I got him. I go to the keeper and show a foul. Oh, sorry. Krabia so far 79 minutes. Oh, give him.
Yeah, I think say after say go no about the Equatorial Guineans, the only thing they can do. This is not a time when I was a won't be a move. Now yes, I won't anymore. I was a woman managing now in coaching if so to me and the tactical change be able to me prevented the Algerians from getting the equalizer. No to me a winning game now. Sabrina to Soye and if enable Madi and so who say Oba Africa has so far or no coach and as a man of the moment winning the last time competition of course well Egypt or no so person Teneca this time right was saying handwriting a team so you handwriting when they change bia will be to me so my Algerians way to me in that particular game. But for now everything is going on well smoothly for the Equatorial Guineans and me then so any kind of more fast one more defending all attacking all defense and one ball now you could see like 4 to 5 men area into the box of any Algerians but when they are defending you could see about 7 to 8 players defending having only one in the midfield then one in attack and I think one so airborne home and they are doing all means to also protect the Oligua one way to me then one so subsequent game now can woman who said they are one way to me then one so to me qualification from the group phase.
Algeria over for our first 2 matches only Sierra Leone and Equatorial Guinea now to me sir as well say born abedi Equatorial Guinea about my fana Abrante Ovano Odokura Bono yeah oh Petrochodo no pass here Brahimi about pass Bonnie say Algeria never said that idea omumu I won't pray draw 81 minutes Ebrene kwa neko ajugong Ebrene kwa neko Algeria Ebrene kwa neko Algeria atal wabo pass offside referee to so Bonnie say Bulaila across the ball no oyede dagbele anfa Bonnie say Slimani try yo wa Slimani akọ to £1 probia
Slimani because Oshe cross by Abrante friend obey line or yes over ball and they see that kick now go with me go no the amount then it was a poor touch from Abrante Feno and the Islam Slimani one year the crowd because baby I couldn't do such situation who manage it to Charlie now we here na team to me physical situation but ubenya chance like this now way to me and say I mean who any other chance any more penalty they should go.
Islam Slimani I got £1 yeah 1-on-1 keeper 12 Bonnie say Algeria searching for the equalizer Algeria Yabo pass one up Bulaila goal Nasu referee say offside let's man Ejina say happy me offside Eugene you. That's it. Offside. Hey, offside, referee Mario Escobar on through. A team na new na is only Ginaso sa. I won't take ID anka pressure bi. I want to see a good Guineas. I get referee boy the 5 minutes. Algeria mountain pressure. Salvador Onopa America baba. I did a few Salvador sem. Bonabedi Atal. Pierre na goalkeeper Rice Moli. Mboli Bakumienu. Wa ball to mountain center circle. Brahimi. A permanent natural referee foul. Referee foul tia. Equatorial Guinea. Referee in Nsaunyi no. Nsaunyi. Nsaunponi. Equatorial Guinea Abrante da form. Garnet da form. Yeah, my concern kai Garnet. Algeria neba Mares, Pierre ma Atal, wachudi Europe, Buyala, Bulaya, Algeria na subona premier corner kick. Pressure na nothing. Pressure nepa.
Yeah, I know them pa yeah, and we share pressure we almost to me amount bia in the 75th minute and one more year bia say then into me and for results bia but this time round I know say one chances there they've created numerous number of chances and at least they should have gotten a go out of it, but one more individual and you know inability to put the ball at the back of the net and no in the to me do last minute pressure and they want to go but I don't think that me who she is just Algerians and I say Equatorial Guineans you know ebeja omo ma won to me
Algeria bonus up pressure yeah Equatorial Guinea only omoje atudi adi mi only omoje na so a temporary drop ball referee no akwaje ball referee no waje ball pressure nepa Algeria nebo Algeria Mares Balaili Pierre Mares inside out Bekoso inside out Mares Atal Algeria Atafawo pressure.
What is written because per this per year at least one should have been a goal. Per this per year one should have been a goal and unse game. What is written is written.
Salvador Equatorial Guinea yo na mi ni pa we don ko Salvador there. Salvador don fa ball go show there coach. Mares nebo Pierre ma Abrantia Benacer onuzo Pierre ma Abrantia Waneba Yasin Brahimi oh Jamna offside Algeria bonus him offside. Offside Mares as the referee ejo bi obo suru wa hu now confirm that hi I'm gonna show him go. Pressure. Referee say what that one must stop him watch. What that one must stop him watch. Also that one must stop him watch. What that one? It's offside. Now confirm that. Algeria force him go share va. Atiabazo Nazodabi. Equatorial Guinea will frustrate Algeria. 87 minutes. Ebrane kwa neko. 87 minutes. Equatorial Guinea 1. Algeria 0. Blaster players maniaje mo she mo. Pati en kabri pem mo. They free mu kakranti. Pati en kabri pem. One up. Atal. Wa piadama Buyala. Wa cross the ball shusha Slimani aji ball no etia box mo. Slimani ye amaye Slimani. Cha. Islam Slimani amaje bokegu Mekausa Dabnada the Black Stars of Ghana and Comoros Obichi Achiwofie Obichi Achiwofie Taoche the Black Stars of Ghana and Comoros Namia Dunia Winia Yedem The boy Sevefa
Oh Nana until say Musa coach we dear ebe yedin yeah say coach Milo na na coach Black Star dia aha ebe yedin
so no coach
I think in the last team coach ye na wo Thailand me boa Thailand and coach na few 2 years no Thailand was Michael Essien coach wo and the other na one for Michael Essien amba mum and he say we are na be coach dia na na me ka just say African Cup na bo Germany ni Brazil ni mu dia Ghana Tuesday no ye na yo Ghana mu ye hwe ni besi ai ye ni besi
Equatorial Guinea napa ayade ni Algeria 89 minutes Abrane kwa na ko ye Fikasiem nzam Fikasiem nzam Algeria fans nzum ye urade asemeni Seveliona 0-0 Equatorial Guinea so ashe 1 asemmen kura na to man Algeria emu aidin atobo na asen ato achine Algeria frustration aba frustration setting 89 minutes ni abo ye koko bon 90 minutes na kan ya referee batoso Belmadi Algeria referee Algeria coach otitiri tinusa Equatorial Guinea share almost no nonsense yeah throw it Equatorial Guinea hey 90 minutes in nyina so referee Edismanum 5 minutes another atoso referee Mario Escobar from Guatemala on the 5 minutes na atoso Equatorial Guinea say share yeah yes achira Equatorial Guinea yes achira we dey say Salvador and film one nepa Algeria oh my Equatorial Guinea for na yes achira Algeria nepa one nepa Algeria Mahrez and Algeria nguno Mahrez across the ball no ye amfa akwembo free wo na me odin o Equatorial Guinea ajibon dey free musem throw etia Algeria Equatorial Guinea yes achira Equatorial Guinea yes achira Abrante me champion player Iban Edu Salvador Osimo fans Tony Safawiem some fans Salvador Ofri Mama Iman Santiago Bukari Ezobem Salvador Osimo fans more fans more fans Equatorial Guinea Semenuma referee to soro ya bomu ba kwa kana ye Equatorial Guinea jaja ye owa we defend grade am Algeria o Ekoni kipo onu mo ma defend dey am Algeria ye players mugu awudo Abrante obemu ncha in first touch no we defend am Algeria rather the boy
anana we dey no kwasem ba Abrante be ni fifo se which means kai edit Algeria na ka mu bi mu kra na Algeria want to 3 minutes enche antika na ubes anema we are Algeria for Equatorial Guinea mo hwe ni ye only be because when they defending champions na bono everything is in their favor including the referee the nyase beto go mo be jam mo hwe bi ye papa
Equatorial Guinea ayewo na zugo giba yeah grafo yen serious o sha anozo to bona che ate afoso Equatorial Guinea pass na e free awurade akwan dem so koje wo be so Equatorial Guinea ja owo yin gache o Equatorial Guinea owo yin gache je Papa say mani ni yeah. Equatorial Guinea never. Equatorial Guinea ayewo Equatorial Guinea yeah adanna no so bi asuro so betwa hwe wa to agine ba bi o wa. Equatorial Guinea fans yo mo de papa mo je bo na me bo budin sana. Obuta kono Algeria fo ni sun akire. Se awurade. Na ye ko Ivory Coast na se dian. Ye ko Ivory Coast na se dian. Hey, ye bi anko blaster ni ama bia wo. Hey, referee shana per yomra. Eni braba. Ama sada Equatorial Guinea for ama sada. Amu frustrate oyi for no. Onya share referee so sorry. Oso be wa no che sorry. Anakaza to for referee so sorry me my card. Referee ama Equatorial Guinea for no yellow card. Sime numa referee to so na bomu yansa e go bomu anan. Ekaya ba fie. Yeah. Abi a share no phone so. Rata Sam. Esteban Orozo wadi yellow card. Algeria shasa metima predrobia. Yeah, aman gongro Algeria. Ya bobo nesimutin. Bobo no bohunu. Sani aye dia. Emze sa ni ereba pon. Sime num ya bomu anan. Sime num referee to so no. Ya bomu anan. Ovono Algeria say yeah. Tell Guinea keeper no bobo na to fence ni. Equatorial Guinea for time yes actually. Salvador no sin go to. Na so ya mama yes actually no. Algeria never. Algeria yeah fatwa abobisa ngatia faso. Referee adi abaya serano. Sima na no akamu 2 seconds. Referee Mario Escobar camera woman Algeria camera woman atuno suni awra ho yeah yapo Equatorial Guinea sa Algeria football ngano krobia asante.
Yeah, you know, a very good game, and this is AFCON, and these are some of the surprises I hate to me. But you know, who games are in Algeria first game out to me boy against Sierra Leone. You know, to me who Ivory Coast on a team where boy and then young who the Ivory Coast to me Ivory Coast against Sierra Leone, and also Ivory Coast take lead and you know 2-2 at the end of the 90 minutes. You know. This is a side that this particular group, you know, between I can say Equatorial Guinea and Sierra Leone. Actually, the big guys are one more group in Algeria and the Ivory Coast. These are teams before our year draw now. One who is one more Algeria and the Ivory Coast team group. You know, I'm even assuming say AFCON group we by now. Almost say Ghana a group of any Algeria and the Ivory Coast. Said yanka yempo aye oka big guys na war AFCON ni mu ana Africa hana ye kan obi no we top 3 a we Egypt away to me age 7 then Cameroon awaje 5 Ghana age 4 no a yen crampo no anka ebe din dia ma yen but this Sierra Leone inside any Equatorial Guinea wo mo to me aya adi papa and Equatorial Guinea and so any Sierra Leone do be to me wini sa game ni bia also qualify if Guinea etumi end in a draw Guinea also stand a chance of qualifying with 4 points on so betumi qualify either so benya third place best and as so betumi out also second depending on results also against Algeria and the Ivory Coast and we ensure that anyame wawa ubekaya way back in 1990 it was tournament AFCON Algeria and Nigeria. The following year 1992 womu efrimu and now womu were the same group na Ivory Coast Ivory Coast womu 3-0 then Congo womu ni Congo ebo 1-1 and 1992 womu into me qualify and 2 AFCON womu to me one history mu no the 1990 and the 2019 no same thing and you know and history if we are going by history and the numerics say ne betumi akọ 2019 womu na champions Egypt then again today womo ohwe bia womo finding womo e league table no so everything shows clearly say womo betumi every group ni mu a womo qualify from their group, and it was something exactly happened way back in 1992 after saying our match 1990 AFCON. So omang na so yebetumi aka say womo so womo history kakra eno so efa womo no and said yeah womo eje glory days e tournament mu a the subsequent and I said the following tournaments a womo kono enioma ensheda enkoyi emfa ma wom inteno so ne Algeria so no womo adwuma won ye. But I'm very sorry for any coach I friend no Jamal Belma di adwuma wa bo any the players no share performances are the man FIFA Arab Cup one way to me a talk also eko je after 2019 FIFA Arab Cup one more ball Arabian countries in nyina bo no one to me eje, and these are players are one nyina bo World Cup qualifiers and ya one lose a single game yehu goals are one share and performances are one way to me done the answer na one call World Cup qualifiers and one qualifier kakobo playoff yehu this performance one ball over 38 games one lose a single game since 2018 ebepem mele efe na one first time one lose game, and even if they are even going to qualify from the group phase womo yawa womo di nyina ne ade nyina even to lose that record say over 30 plus games now
in like 4 years
yes. If we lose Equatorial Guinea no that feelings will be there ube feel sad kakla and ebe to me how so as players with manager any crew ni nyina Algerian crew ni nyina obi bia ebe su ebe how mu ye, and the way awomo and man awomo lose to any Equatorial Guinea the side in Ankasano Womulusu to so yeah, they are very, very painful. But in all, I think they are very good and surprising AFCON to me. This it tells you say yes, Africa game no so it to me as said the call Europe, Ubenya Iceland, Bina only Argentina draw or World Cup as so and why be na no to me is football, and where football to me grow I could know these are some of the results you be to me pick football to me about science and additional kwa na ekoso, so those are any musa one more minus one more underperforming one more encash they are also trying their best to also come to the top, and when they meet these top guns they always want to prove a point, and it was exactly their Equatorial Guinea to me about so almost to me in this particular game.
And the boy at the end of the 90 minutes
in the 90s now Algeria for winning AFCON they were having a American player and the Rabah Major, a very fantastic player to say Lionel Messi, and I said and kind of say Cristiano Ronaldo also born one who's over to me aji and Abrante Ramrez or last 2 years in 2019 I think that age is catching up, and then the strength is not like the other time and when you walk out physics near there I said to me about for crop your money budget because 38 Algeria for 4 years now no obian to me ensure mo and a team like this almost said that need a deep papabia on African soil. What you say almost said that need deep papabia about football more say be a player say be ball heavy ball and almost nibi and almost to me I said defending champions a go to nil almost go near 70th minute 20 minutes African champions then to me I hear the 5 minutes count I want to me auntie they have everything to celebrate, and a two which I said coach say you draw alongside current champions he went back, sat down, study the Algerians. What I say and I'll be trauma and yeah Sebi a certain coach go to me can say unfair say you draw Ghana alongside Comoros, and then people are celebrating because Comoros go share Ghana the massa and Comoros will cry if you want to back and I made it. So massa say Ghana for yasa minu aba yata e ho no tie yata Comoros what's your can Ghana yasa this the coach onya draw no was steady Algeria ana one over show Algeria let's what you show Algeria Ivory Coast. Don't you forget Ivory Coast captain Kwani Papa we 3 weeks in here
last match na Algeria and Ivory Coast Algeria and Ivory Coast.
And they say, me say Algeria captain, Ivory Coast captain. Papa we 3 weeks in here. enti on be shemu ya de amano on de bring ya ko wi Ivory Coast so no ma sha Ivory Coast what I say for the first time I have competition champion or ababa akope Algeria say 1 point be no
so na akoye no Ivory Coast no Algeria ba ko na be ko
and they possible
yes
and they possible but me nya ya and Ivory Coast for no nko say papa captain ne papa who ye nchenti konko to ye ne so yeah 2 weeks in here think konko to papa ye ne so what I say na ayika ofufoi come omumra ene ga Ghana nyo mo a ye fa na sa
omunya info
Algeria say Ghana no o say
Ghana na ngazi hu say qualify na say ye
oh somebody can catch you medical me say my sister wo ayi Comoros no yata o say almost say Ghana there say almost ye show mo 1000 kra no a team bi show mo 1000 Ghana there ombe mi omone so ombe shen na Ghana for na bo maka ho o say mfa ho
na why my event say echina yebeba na afin so yatimi abeto aso ochina yebeba na yabeto aso so ewa ha enti ye besi na afin so no yasori dwumadie no so echina yeba na afin ya Kenya yen so yatimi area ba yemfa na say kase yemfa ma me able team head by Nana Kofi Okoya Jiman Sansuna ene no the boy Crop ya Sante writer commentator Sansuna DJ Vaz DJ Tony DJ Donzi DJ Zigibi and so po Mechidom Afin Sono Jeff Kufuboa team Papa the fresh senior on duty and so no ebo Chidom Kwame Sedega and so no eka one and team no solid bidin ane Nana Kwame Ampon Sedi na no damia munyina aka one ni yedi dwumadi no so bai enya mepa echina so no yesan behia medi nyame jao muchum
celebrating African ways, African loving African people, African youth, African kings and African queens.
Africa, bon Africa, tout seul. Everybody come together as one, we'll rise. Africa tonight. Sound of the line.
My people know we go unite. Together as one.
Celebrating African ways, African loving African people, African youth, African kings and African queens.
Everybody come together as one, we'll rise. Africa tonight. Sound of the line.
My people know we go unite. Together as one.
Celebrating African ways, African loving African people, African youth, African